Now, what is the difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning? Artificial intelligence originated around 1950s. I said it. The term was coined in the year 1955 by John McCarthy. Okay. So AI represents simulated intelligence in machines. So as we already know, machines do not have any knowledge of their own. We call computers as idiot box unless and until you give some programs written in high level languages or low level languages. Okay, so the machine can execute the instructions given in a program step by step, and then it can perform some actions automatically. Earlier, we were using machines, we were using computer systems only for computational tasks. So with the advancements in the internet technologies, we are using them for communications too. Not only computer machines, we are using every device for communication too. Okay, so AI represents the simulated intelligence in machines. AI is a subset of data science. Artificial intelligence is a subset of data science. It aims to build machines which are capable of thinking like human beings. So you want to make machines to think like human beings. It is no more that machines will be able to perform only the tasks that are given in terms of step-by-step instructions, in terms of a program, computer program, but the machines, more than that, they will be able to make decisions on their own without being explicitly programmed. Okay. So if you are going to execute a computer program, the computer will run each instructions in the given program step by step, and then according to the instructions given, it is going to perform some task, right? So that is a simple computer program. But when you enable artificial intelligence in any machine, it will be capable of making decisions on their own without explicitly being programmed. Okay, so that is the meaning of artificial intelligence. And what is the meaning of machine learning? The term was originated around 1960s. Machine learning is the practice of getting machines to make decisions without being explicitly programmed. Okay, so machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence and data science. So we have learned AI is a subset of data science. So machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence and data science. So it aims to make machines learn through the data so that they can solve problems. So you are going to supply data to the machines from which the machine will learn and then gain some knowledge, which will be represented in terms of a mathematical model. When you supply large amounts of data, the machine will be able to make better decisions. Like an experienced teacher, it is like an highly experienced teacher will be able to handle a high attitude guy in a proper way than an inexperienced teacher, a fresher, right? When you supply large amounts of good data, the machines will be able to make better decisions than a machine that is supplied with small data or uncleaned data, right? Okay. So what is the meaning of deep learning then? Deep learning originated around 1970s. It is the process of using artificial neural networks to solve complex problems. So you have understood what is machine learning. And the meaning of deep learning is, in case of a complex problem, say for example, we have unstructured data with this. We have a video, we have image files, we have supposing if you are going to supply a picture to the machine, it must be able to classify the pictures. What are the different types of objects that are available in the given picture? It must be able to capture, is there a cat in the picture? Is there a car in the picture? Is there a bus in the picture? So these are all complex tasks that you can give to the machine. Similarly, the speech recognition task. Supposing if you want to convert, if you are going to give a voice message to a machine, it must be able to give you back the text information. Whatever you have spoken, it must be able to write it. Okay, so this is speech recognition, and also the natural language processing. Okay, so if you want to analyze the sentiments given in the sentiments of the user reviews, supposing about a particular product or a particular service, if the user is giving reviews in social media, if you want to process it using machines, then the machine must be able to classify a particular review as a positive review or a negative review, or it is a neutral review. Okay, so these are all some of the complex tasks. How you can enable the machines to solve these complex problems is to make use of artificial neural networks, which will be making use of artificial neurons. Like, human brain is made up of biological neurons, right? So with the same concept, they try to apply for artificial intelligence, in which artificial neural networks will be built by making use of artificial neurons, which will have the capability to think like human brains. Okay, so we will be making use of deep learning models to solve complex problems. So deep learning is again a subset of machine learning, artificial intelligence, and data science. So it aims to build neural networks that automatically discover patterns for feature detection. So you may not exactly understand what is the meaning of a feature as of now. When you'll be learning in detail about, not today's session, when you'll be learning in detail about what is data and how you can clean the data, what are all the important characteristics that you can use to build the machine learning model. So when we talk about all those things, you will know what is exactly a feature and which features